Welcome to Homestead at Brookside, a stunning Lennar Homes community in the Pleasant Valley area. Pleasant Valley is one of the best kept secrets of the Portland area, and it's truly a gateway to all the very best the Northwest has to offer. Homestead at Brookside is less than 30 minutes from downtown Portland and 90 minutes away from the beautiful Oregon coast, offering spacious home plans from single-level living to traditional two-story homes. You'll appreciate gorgeous upgrades like stainless steel appliances, beautiful kitchen cabinetry, and granite countertops. Plus, your family will benefit from the latest state-of-the-art home automation products and a technologically savvy living experience, all included at no additional cost. Located in the Centennial School District, your family will benefit from access to great programs, including athletics, and a wide variety of options for continuing education, all conveniently located nearby. Less than an hour's drive east is Mount Hood, skiing, hiking, and an array of national forest and winter recreation opportunities. Also just a few minutes east, treat yourself to the scenic beauty and outdoor activities of the historic Columbia River Gorge. Desirable amenities are abundant in Pleasant Valley, from the Happy Valley Town Center, featuring the beloved New Seasons Market, to Clackamas Town Center, one of the largest shopping malls in Oregon, anchored by Nordstrom and Macy's. There is also a 20-screen movie theater and many nearby restaurants. Local employment opportunities abound across a wide array of industries. After work, play a round of golf at the gorgeous Persimmon Country Club. Living in a Lennar home at Homestead at Brookside means you benefit from a close-knit community, a stone's throw away from everything the Pacific Northwest has to offer. Enjoy all of this and more in your new Lennar home.